Leaving your job can often be seen as a mundane topic. However, it is important to understand the importance of leaving it in the right way. In this video, we will delve into the 2 key reasons why leaving your job on good terms is necessary, to continue receiving pay and to avoid burning bridges. Additionally, in the tech industry where connections and reputation matter, quitting in the correct manner can make all the difference. Join us as we discuss the right way to leave your job and the benefits it brings. If you're quitting your job, don't make the mistake of giving your boss too much notice. The standard is 2 weeks, and anything more is just asking for trouble. Trust me, once your boss knows you're leaving, they'll want you gone as soon as possible. Don't expect to sit around collecting a paycheck while you wait for your new job to start. Employers see quitting employees as a liability and may treat you differently, even if you leave on good terms. It's best to exit gracefully and not linger, as it can affect the morale of your coworkers. Remember, quitting a job is like ending a relationship. It's always you, not them. When quitting your job, always give a 2-week notice. It's a basic consideration for your boss who will need to replace you. Giving 2 weeks notice also allows them to distribute your tasks or train someone else to do your work. Stick to the standard 2 weeks, no more. It has happened too many times where someone will be really nice and they'll tell their boss that they are giving them a month notice. And the very next day, they have walked out of the office and they are not getting paid for the entire month. Now, sometimes when you give 2 weeks notice, they might say, "Okay, bye." And you're not actually gonna work for 2 weeks. So you should be prepared for that. You should have money saved up, expecting that as soon as you give notice. It's the last day that you're going to be working there. Just remember, 2 weeks notice is a common courtesy, but it's not guaranteed you'll work those 2 weeks. Some bosses might let you go the same day you give notice, so it's best to be prepared for that. And if you're leaving for a competitor, it's likely they'll want you out ASAP for security reasons. So don't be surprised if you're asked to leave immediately. When quitting your job, it's also important to leave on good terms and not burn bridges. During the exit interview, your boss will ask for feedback on how to improve the workplace. They may promise to keep your feedback confidential and use it to make improvements. It's important to be honest, but avoid burning bridges by speaking negatively about the company. When you're asked about what can be improved at the company, say this: "I had a great experience working at XYZ company. I don't have any negative feedback. I enjoyed working with my boss and coworkers and felt the work environment was great. Do you have any specific areas you'd like me to give feedback on?" When leaving a job, it's best to only give positive feedback. Don't give negative reviews because it doesn't really benefit you. It might make the workplace better for someone else, but it probably won't make a big difference. Your negative feedback might just end up in your file. Or worse, it could result in a negative recommendation or even blacklisting from other companies. Instead, focus on giving positive feedback. You don't need to lie, but if you don't have anything positive to say, it's better to just not say anything at all. This will help you leave the job on a good note. When you leave a job, make sure you leave it better than how you found it. Train your replacement, pass on your responsibilities, and ensure the company can succeed even after you're gone. This way, you'll be remembered in a positive light and won't have any negative impact on your reputation. Keep in mind, the tech community is small, especially locally, and you don't want to leave with a bad reputation. Leave on good terms and do everything you can to make the transition as smooth as possible. So, those are the things you need to keep in mind whenever you are thinking of leaving your job. Let me know what you think about this and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you are thinking of moving to somewhere else, you better check out our video about how to excel in your new job, as this will boost your chances of having a better career this year. Tune in for more videos about career. Be sure to subscribe if you liked our videos. See you again next time.